Once you place an order on the site, you'll be sent a link to join the affiliate program. You just fill in your email address, first name, last name. A phone number might be useful in certain situations, so please send that if possible. If you have a website, you might want to list it as well. Then create a password for yourself and confirm the password. And if you like, tell us more about yourself, why you'd like to partner with us, and please include any social media handles, experience promoting others, etc., your audience. Then tick the box to accept the terms of the program and submit. At this stage, if you get a spinning wheel, let us know. But it could be that there's just a browser incompatibility, in which case use the same link and try a different browser. After you've filled in your affiliate form, you'll be able to log into the site at the top right of the browser window, using the same login and password as before. This will take you into your affiliate dashboard. As you go through the login process, you may want to join our list for marketing and special offers on the right-hand side of the screen. To generate your personal link, click on the heading Affiliate and then the tab that says Profile. You will have an automatic affiliate identifier number, and if you click the pencil symbol, you can edit that and change that to your name or whatever you want it to be. Your referral URL is the top URL, and that is followed by your affiliate identifier. At the bottom is a referral URL generator, and that means you can copy any page of the website or video or anything else you want as a URL into that URL generator, and that will enable you to share specific content which will lead to your referral link, whichever video or page you want to use, and that will then generate an appropriate referral URL underneath for you, personalized to the content that you want to share. If you have any queries, please contact the affiliate manager. Thank you.